All right, so this is the Christmas tree model that I included with the Christmas cards this year. So if you're wondering how to assemble this, this works just like any model card that you'd have gotten as a kid. So you got to snap these out of the frame. This one I printed as a two-tone. Most people didn't get those because they were a lot of work to print, and I didn't think about doing it till the end. It doesn't really matter. The second color is on the inside, so yeah, Emmett's gonna have a meltdown in the background. Murphy's Law. All right, let's get these out of here real quick. Go, and then finally this piece. Now, I highly suggest super glue. The thing's probably not going to stay together for you without some super glue on it. Oh. There we go. All right. So the cat's come to watch. Now, you'll see that this has a dot on it. It'll be harder to see when it's not two-tone, but there's your dot. And one of these trees, there we go, we have a dot. So see the dot? Now there's a smooth side and a rough side. This is the rough side, and on the back is the smooth side. The smooth side goes out. So, dot, there's a dot there. We're gonna match those two up. That's very important so that the star can get through. See, we will have two-color star. Now, this same piece has a triangle on it. This one also has a triangle on it. So we're gonna match those two up like that. So first we're gonna grab these. These two don't matter. There's no shapes on these. They just go together. So there we go. And the other one, we might as well do this one right now too. Should fit real snug. Nice click, click. All right, now this one, I don't think it matters which side is up, so stick that in there. You see how loose that is? That's where the super glue is going to come in handy. But anyways, so where are the two with the triangles? Let's do those two first. So stick this in, and then there's the triangle there and a triangle here. We're going to match those two up. Goes like that. And ta-da! There's your tree model. Oh, I missed a piece when I was tearing it off. There we go. Now, like I said, if you want this thing to stay together, a little dab of super glue into each of these little slots, and when you put it together, just leave it sit for a few minutes or maybe an hour or something, however much super glue you used, and it will stay in one piece. You can, now let's see, once you've got it all glued together, you're really gonna need to glue this thing together. But anyways, once you got it all glued together, you got this little hole on the top. You can hang it from your Christmas tree. It stands on its own, so you can put it up somewhere. But anyways, Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy it.